Hi guys, it's me Rose. So today we're going to translate some simple questions like when you ask a person's details or when you want to ask something. Okay, so let's start with what is your name? In TokPisin, you will say Wanem name blong you. In Cebuano, you will say unsay pangalan nimo. So unsa, that's wanem. Pangalan, that's name. Nimo, blong you. So in Cebuano, you will say it, unsay pangalan nimo. Okay, next, we have, how old are you? In TokPisin, you will say, hamas years blong you. Hamas years blong you. So in Cebuano, you will say, ilay edad nimo. So edad here is the years or TokPisin. So you'll say it again, ilay edad nimo. Next, where did you live? In TokPisin, you will say, you stop longwe. You stop longwe. So in Cebuano, you will say, asa ka nagpuyo. Asa ka nagpuyo. Then next we have, where did you study? In TokPisin, you will say, you school longwe. So, school in TokPisin sounds same with in English. Like, but the spelling is different. So, in English, school is S-C-H-O-O-L. While in TokPisin, the spelling is S-K-U-L. But it sounds the same. So in TokPisin, we say it again. You school longwe. In Cebuano, you will say, asa ka nag-eskwela. Again, asa ka nag-eskwela. Next, we have, do you speak English? In TokPisin, you will say, you sabe long talk English too? You sabe long talk English too? So, speak in TokPisin is talk, but the spelling is T-O-K. So, that's the difference. So, we will translate this into Cebuano. So, you will say, kabalo ka musulti og English? So, when we say kabalo, that's do you know or do you speak? Okay, do you? Musulti, speak. So, again, we will say it in Cebuano, kabalo ka musulti og English? Okay, got it? And then next, how much is this? So, usually when we go to a store, we would probably ask this question, right? So, how much is this? So, in TokPisin, you will say, hamas long em? In Cebuano, you will say it, pagpila ni. Okay? Pagpila ni. How much is this? Okay. Next, can I see? So, this question, you will ask this when you want to see a product. So, you will say, in TokPisin, you will say it, inak mi lukin? Inak mi lukin? So, in Cebuano, you will say, pwede ko mutanaw? Pwede. Pwede ko mutanaw? Okay, so pwede. In English, can I? The next we have, what is the time now? So in TokPisin, you will say, wanem time now? In Cebuano, you will say it, unsa nay oras? So oras in TokPisin, that's time, or in English. So you will say it again. Unsa nay oras? Okay. This will be our last question. Did you eat already? So in TokPisin, you will say it. You kay pinis? You kay pinis? In Cebuano, you will say it. Nikaon na ka? Nikaon na ka? Okay. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you learned something and I hope you enjoyed. So if you have something in your mind that you want to translate from English to TokPisin to Cebuano, just leave a comment down below and I would love to translate it for you. So please don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. So see you guys next time and have a great day.